You like really can't even see the waterfall.
That's the point. Ha ha ha, good.
No.
Because there won't be a waterfall.
I meant right now you can't see.
I know.
That was dumb.
I'm very excited.
Say hi, Evan.
This is exhilarating.
Hi, Evan.
Say hi.
Hi. I can't fucking see a thing with that.
Say hi, Kristen. Yeah. Hi. Say hi, Dan.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Aww.
Oh, that's
Is it that bright?
It's so
It's
bright.
so bright.
Well, say hi. I'll turn it back
Hey, hey, Jessica.
Okay, you're right. It's bright. Say hi, Grace. Carla. Okay. Hi. Hi.
It's the same thing.
Maybe this is the wrong waterfall.
We're all ready for this one. We're going to be standing here for another hour.
Yeah, so I think there could have been many better selections.
Okay, waterfall, anytime. Nine.
It's growing on
It
me,
is
but
9?
I really don't think it's that great.
Do this. Cheer.
We're supposed to put
Dan, why is there stroking?
Because I can make it stroke.
probably
Stroke again.
it's getting really light now.
I feel like this isn't even going to be exciting.
I think it's already happened.
No. We would have seen it.
Did it move?
How do we all figure this out? I think this is a lie. Oh, I like this song.
What? You got what? Oh, I don't think it turns off. I think it redirects.
It didn't though. Say hi. Hi. Oh, you look so cute. Oh my god, am I part of this?
Very nice.
You and your pink gloves.
Okay.
You never wear those.
I think this is the wrong waterfall.
Yeah, maybe it was the wrong waterfall.
Yeah, who told us this?
How many of us are there? Wow.
I think we all just assumed. I don't want to stop recording because as soon as I stop, something's going to happen.
Oh, is that Sancho's?
Come on. Maybe I didn't even turn it off.
It's not a fucking PowerPoint.
Should I stop recording?
Probably. Maybe just wait.
Yeah, I think the shop's like open till like 10 or 11 or something.
Well, that's fine.
Yeah, that's really, really nice. Really fast.